People in southeastern Minnesota who experience a mental health crisis will have access to care right in Olmsted County, thanks to a $5 million state bond fund. KIMT News 3's Brooke McKivergan went to the Olmsted County Justice Council meeting to get the latest on this very needed facility. Huh, Brooke?
Yeah, George, and 1 in 3 adults here in Olmsted County alone have reported having a mental health condition, and that's according to the county's Community Health Improvement Plan. Now the city and the county are teaming up to help them.
A member of Julie Tackett's family has a mental illness that led to their incarceration.
I began to have a glimpse of what happens to our mentally ill when they're in a correctional setting. So that didn't really sit right with me, so I started to advocate for that family member.
She feels there's no middle ground for the mentally ill. It's either jail or a hospital, but a facility dedicated to treating the mentally ill will help immensely.
When you have a place of healing that is not a correctional focused, that the mentally ill can help manage their own illnesses with the support and love of their families. And I'm really excited to learn more about what Olmsted County is going to do for our loved ones.
And it won't just be for people in an acute crisis.
It could really be as much as somebody coming in to be supported through depression or grief, and they may not even need a level of care of a hospital or have any interactions with law enforcement. It's just something that needs some added support.
The center will involve multiple organizations, Olmsted Medical Center, the Mayo Clinic, even local law enforcement, all working to make sure anyone in need gets help.
Are often seeing these folks with nowhere to go on a Friday at 7 o'clock in the evening, but they need that extra support, and we're here to kind of support everybody and do it together. This is a really big community lift.
The Crisis Center will be able to serve people across 10 counties here in southeast Minnesota, so this will be huge, especially as our community here continues to grow.
And it is growing. Thank you very much, Brooke. And construction on that facility is expected to begin in 2020. Well, the process of getting into college can be stressful, and when it comes to